Everyone's using beets in their baking after discovering this genius idea. Here I have a sliced beetroot. Next I added 3 eggs and now we'll blend it all together. I'm using a mixer, but you can use a blender if you prefer. Once done, it'll look like this. Now in the same bowl we'll add half a cup of oil, a cup of sugar. Let's mix all of this thoroughly. We'll add 2 cups of cornmeal gradually while mixing. Then a tablespoon of yeast and we'll mix gently. Now pour it into a greased pan with some cornmeal. Bake at 180 degrees Celsius. Leave it for 35 minutes and this will be the result. Look how amazing this beetroot cornbread turns out, beautiful and delicious. Try it at home, I'm sure everyone will love it. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. This was another quick recipe from Pobre na Cozinha. Take care everyone. See you next time. Thanks a lot.